Hello. Yay. Hi, everybody. Hello, everyone. This is grilled cheese sandwich.
This is grilled cheese sandwich.
Hello, everyone. This is Beard Licking Good Barbecue. I'm here to tell you I'm going to bring you a 5-video series of 5 different grilled cheese sandwiches. Each of these videos will show you how to elevate your grilled cheese game to the next level with simple ingredients that you could just about find anywhere. And for this first video, we're going to have the beard licking, garlic loving, cheesy goodness grilled cheese sandwich. Yes, I said grilled cheese sandwich.
All right. So now I got a garlic loaf, garlic spread, which is just like a butter and garlic, and the roasted garlic that we used in the previous video. I filmed me putting it together. However, it didn't record. So now we got it put together. But anyways, you just got the 10 slices of provolone, the American cheese, and shredded Italian mixture, which has some Asiago, some mozzarella. Right now, you just gotta set it on the cool side of the grill for indirect heat. Cover the grill and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until cheese is melted. I checked the grill every 4 minutes or so. And this was the first 4 minutes. It was starting to get nice and cheesy. And I turn it over every time I check it after 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. And then you end up with this.
And now to taste it. I'm gonna go ahead and try this ooey gooey juice right here. Look at that, just look at that. Here, let's put that to the side for camera's sake. I don't know, why not? Let's wrap that around. Get that in there. That is really good. That is really good. All right, and until next time, keep grilling, guys. See ya.
Thank you.